friends, welcome back to Subi's channel. Everybody needs healthy body. For maintenance of the healthy body, we have to know about the amino acids. What is amino acids? There are several kinds of amino acids are there. There are 22 proteinogenic amino acids are available. Among 22 amino acids, 20 amino acids are genetically proteinogenic amino acids. Number one is essential amino acid, another one is non-essential amino acids. So what are the differences between essential and non-essential amino acids? Essential amino acids means it should be taken through our food. Otherwise, it cannot be synthesized in our body. We have to take a food sources which is having a essential amino acids. For example, food sources such as fish, chicken, mutton, dairy products. All these things are having all essential amino acids. So, these are called as complete protein. So, when we say the food product, food source is a complete protein, it should have all the 9 essential amino acids. Among 20 amino acids, 9 amino acids are essential amino acids. What are the essential amino acids? Lysine, leucine, isoleucine, threonine, methionine, tryptophan, valine, phenylalanine. These are the essential amino acids. These are very essential for maintenance of our healthy life. If these essential amino acids are not there in our food, that is very difficult to lead a healthy life. It is, for example, lysine. Lysine is one of the very important essential amino acid. Lysine, it is very helpful to maintain the muscle building, and it helps to maintain the bone strength. It helps to recover the injured tissues. It helps to regulate the hormone secretion. It helps to synthesize antibodies. Like this, so many important healthy metabolic activities are taken place only with the help of these essential amino acids. Among these essential amino acids, I told you now, lysine is a very important one. So, when we have to tell this is the food product, that should be a complete protein. So, what about the vegetarian peoples? Because the non-vegetarian peoples, they may have meat, chicken, fish, all these things to get a complete protein. But what about the non-vegetarian peoples? The non-essential amino acids, these are synthesized in our body itself. We need not worry about it. Non-essential amino acid which is synthesized in our body, we need not worry about the non-essential amino acid. Only we have to think about the essential amino acid. What are the food products are there? We have to search and take. We have to search and eat. What are the food products which are having essential amino acids? Essential amino acids வந்து இருக்கக்கூடிய food வந்து non-vegetarian people வந்து நிறையவே இருக்குது. But vegetarian people, only they are taking purely vegetarian. So they have to take the food material which is having a large amount of essential amino acids. So it can be the vegetarian people can take quinoa, spirulina, chia seeds, sabja seeds, amaranth. These are the sources which are having all 9 amino acids. This is very important. We must be very particular about the essential amino acids. Otherwise, our health is not in our hand. So we have to take food sources which are having fully all the 9 essential amino acids. Like this meat, chicken, egg, all these things. Otherwise, vegetarian people, can take quinoa. Spirulina is having the all essential amino acids. Chia seeds, all these things, amaranth. இதெல்லாம் வந்து அவங்க எடுத்துக்கணும். They have to take all these food sources. Otherwise, we have lost our health. All 9 essential amino acids sources are quinoa. This is commonly called quinoa. In Tamil, this is called as quinoa. It is having a high protein. It has a sufficient amount of all essential amino acid. You see this is the quinoa seeds. It is rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, potassium, calcium. It has been eaten by South Americans for more than 1,000 years. Recently, it became trend food in India and it is reaching a status of superfood because it is having all 9 essential amino acids. I have already told you essential amino acids are present in non-vegetarian people. Sources are meat, chicken, dairy products. But vegetarian people, they have to depend upon these kinds of food sources such as quinoa, chia seeds, spirulina. These are all 9 essential amino acids are present in chia seeds. The chia seeds will be like this. White color seeds, brown, black, like this. These are mixed together. These are commonly available in even small supermarkets. This is the native of Mexico. It has all 9 essential amino acids. It is rich in fiber. It has omega-3 fatty acid and omega-6 fatty acids. These are essential for healthy heart. It prevents cancer and inflammatory diseases. It has a beneficial phytocomponents such as chlorogenic acid, quercetin, camphorol. These are acting like a powerful antioxidants to fight against the free radicals. It is very important. We have to take it daily. It gives 9 essential amino acids, especially for vegetarian people. They don't have any source to get all 9 amino acids. So this is a quality protein because of the presence of 9 essential amino acids. If you ask chia seeds, they may give sabja seeds. Sabja, it is not a sabja seeds. The sabja seeds will be like this. This is sabja seeds. This is also having a beneficial effects, but I am telling about the essential amino acids. Which source is having all 9 essential amino acids? Number 1, quinoa. I told you. Number 2, chia seeds. You can identify the chia seeds like this. Next important source which is having all 9 essential amino acids, spirulina. It's a type of cyanobacteria. It is called as blue-green algae. The standard daily dose of spirulina is 1 to 3 grams per day. The quality of the protein is high. Phytocyanin is a good antioxidant and it can fight against the free radicals. It is in the form of tablets or in the form of powder. This is having all 9 essential amino acids in such a way, the vegetarian people, because they don't have any source at all to get all 9 essential amino acids. All 9 essential amino acids should be taken in our body from the food source only, because these 9 essential amino acids are not able to synthesize in our body. This is very, very essential. That's why I want to share with you. we have to aware about the essential amino acids. That's why I uploaded this video. If you like this video, subscribe, share and click the bell button. So whenever I upload the video, it will come to your notice. Thank you so much.